In today's video, I'm going to do factorization by removing a common factor. So I will be doing different examples. So the first example is a 3x squared plus 5x. So in this case, you can expand it completely. So x squared means x into x plus 5 times x. And now you can see x is common. So x is equal to, x is taken out, 3x plus 5. So this is the factorization of 3x squared plus 5x. Here, 2 into x multiplied by x minus 7 times x. And then again, you can see x is common, and you have 2x minus 7. In this case, it's negative 2 times x plus 9 times x. So x is clearly common here, but in this case we also will practice of taking negative common, but negative we have only with negative 2x square. So for this one we can, plus is like we have two negatives here, so we can take one negative out. So that is your negative x, and then you have 2x minus 9 as your final answer. In this case, you have negative 5 times x, and now 10 can be written as 5 into 2 into x multiplied by x. So this is first term, and this one is second term. So x is common, negative is common, 5 is common. So in this case, you have negative 5x common, and then you have plus here because you took this negative out, and 2x. Now the question is what we should be putting here for the first term. Now since we took everything common, negative and 5 and x, so we can rewrite this as, so this can be written as here, multiply by 1. Okay, because 1 is the multiplicative identity. If you take everything out, which means you need to write here 1. So 1 plus negative 5x, 1 plus 2x is your final answer. In this case, we have three terms, and you can see a is common in this case. So a, and then you have b plus c plus d. Okay, so here, first of all, when you have the terms, factorization of the terms like this, you need to make sure that whatever is in the bracket, you have the second grouping also as a as same as the first bracket. So in this case, I'm going to do one thing first before I start removing the common factor. I'm going to put just a bracket over x plus 1. Now again, it seems like that we are going to take whole of x plus 1 common from the second term, second grouping. So I'm going to write 1 here. It's just for the understanding, you don't have to do it, but if it helps you to write x plus 1 as x plus 1 into 1, you should be doing that. And then this is common, so you got x plus 1, and then you have 2 x plus 1 plus 1. We can use a different bracket here, and now when you simplify it, you get x plus 1, and this is 2x plus 2. So this is equal to 2x plus 2 plus 1. So this gives me 2x plus 3. So that's the factorization for this one. Now this one, again, if it helps you to expand it completely, you should do that. So here you can see a is common, and then b is common. So you get a, b, and then you have b plus a as the second factor. In this case, again, if again expanding helps you, you should do that. If you don't need it, so you don't have to do this step. So here x plus 1 is common, and then you get here x plus 1 plus 2. So it's equal to x plus 1 and x plus 3. Okay, now the next one here is, again, as I said, this whatever you have in the bracket should match for the remaining term. So I'm going to, first step I'm going to do is put bracket here for x plus 3, and then we have x plus 3 times x plus 3. Since it looks like I'm going to take whole of x plus 3 common here, so you can write this as multiply by 1. So you get x plus 3, and then you get 1 plus x plus 3. So this is equal to x plus 3, x plus 4. 1 and 3 is like terms here. Now this question, in this question, you can see here we have x minus 4 whole square, but here in this I can see that 5 is common, but we also need to make this look like x minus 4, so I'm going to take negative 5 common here. So x minus 4 whole square, this I can write, if you need this step, you can do minus, and then it's minus 5 times 4, and now this minus and this minus is common. So you get x minus 4 whole square negative 5, and then you get here x minus 4. This negative is remaining here. Now in this case, again, this is x minus 4, x minus 4 minus 5 into x minus 4, and then you can take x minus 4 common here. So you get x minus 4 minus 5. So this is equal to x minus 4, x minus 9, collecting like terms in this case. Okay, so this seems like it's a repetition, so I'm not going to do this one. I already did this before. So now this one is, you have 4 and then a plus b times a plus b. So that's your first term. And then here you can see this is negative 2 times a minus negative 2 times b. So we have negative 2 common. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2 times a plus b, and then you have a plus b, and then we took negative 2 common, so you got a plus b again. And now from here 2 is common and a plus b is common. Again, since we are taking everything common from the second term, you can write this as multiply by 1. And now we got 2a plus b. I'm going to use a different bracket since I still have a bracket there, and then negative 1. And now we are going to open this bracket. So this is 2a plus b, and then you get 2a plus 2b minus 1. Okay, so the last question is again similar to what we already did. So first step, I will put x plus 1 as a in a bracket, and now this is 2 times x plus 1, x plus 1, and I'm going to rewrite this as 1 since I'm going to take all of x plus 1 common. So this is x plus 1. This is, again, I'm going to use another bracket here, 2x plus 1 plus 1. Now distributive property, we are going to open this bracket, 2 times x plus 1. So this is 2x plus 2 plus 1. So we got here x plus 1, 2x plus 3. That's it for this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with others.